For those using or looking to use Dynamics 365 Business Central to help manage production schedules, then look no further than the MxAPS app from InsightWorks. In this video, we are going to talk about non-production scheduling. When running a manufacturing operation, it is important to account for both production and non-production time. Shop floor staff cannot always allocate their time to a specific production order. For example, maybe materials need to be moved from one operation to another, or equipment needs to cool before being used again. With MxAPS, users can add parameters for those that require non-production scheduling. The benefit is that non-production activity gets appropriately scheduled, and the time allocated to non-production tasks is tracked. For more sophisticated manufacturing processes, MxAPS will model different setup values to determine the optimal schedule. Take injection molding, for example. Retooling the injection molding equipment may take 2 hours, where a color change may only require 30 minutes. In this case, it will be more efficient to run the job with the color change before retooling for another job. MxAPS will consider the same tooling used for different production orders and group them together when it makes sense. So, if you want to regularly create realistic production schedules without relying on people to understand all of the scheduling details, then you'll want to take a look at MxAPS from InsightWorks. To learn more, check out the MxAPS website or reach out to your Microsoft partner. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content.